Hi guys, welcome back to the shows. In today's video, I want to show you when you have multiple dates column in a table and you want to find out for each row what is the minimum date in that column. Okay. However, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I'm Buntri and I'm here to help you to become a better Power BI developer. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So without any delay, let's jump into my Power BI desktop. So here is my Power BI desktop. I just got a simple table with name of the person and with 4 date columns. Ideally, I just want to find out what is my minimum date or the earliest date in that row. Just turn on the pen for a sec. So basically, what is my minimum date for that row? In this case would be the 6th of September. And what's the middle of this second row? That would be the 5th of April, is this one. And what's the minimum for the third one? That would be the 8th, etc. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to achieve. So let me show you how to do that. So let's go to the table. So you need to create a calculated column. I'm going to call this minimum date. So I need to find out what is the minimum date for Joe, for Mark and Peter. So I have to do min, and then the column is date 1, comma date 2, comma date 3, comma date 4. Didn't work. That's because the minimum function only accepts 2 arguments. So what you could do is you could nest it the min, but I'll show you this a trick way to do it, right? So this is returning you a value. So you need to convert that into a table, okay? Because DAX loves table, alright? So to convert that into a table, you will need to put a squirrely bracket here, curly bracket here, and then change this to a min x. So min, that will be your table now. So all of this becomes a table. Alright. And then comma the value, close the bracket. Watch this. Format this now. Format to this one. The minimum for Joe is the 5th of April. Minimum for Mark, the 8th of January 2020. Minimum for Peter is the 8th of May. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. So yeah, so that's how you turn a value into a table. Right? So yeah, you like that trick? So that's how you turn a value into a table by just putting a squirrely bracket. Because DAX loves love table. So if you like that video, hit that subscribe button. If you don't like the video, still hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.